Well, you just heard it. I believe the old Veratile hurt bad. Rod bearing, probably. Get you a better look at all these chunks of steel on the magnetic drain plug there. There is a lot of steel on there. Some of them chunks are fairly big.
Need some plugs.
Okay guys, you just saw Dad taking a bunch of parts off the Veratile. He really didn't take off too much stuff that's important, just the alternator and stuff. Hoses, oil return from the turbo and stuff. AC compressors here. Not really a whole lot of important stuff, but okay, so the Veratile is back in the shop here. You can see it's actually ready for the head to be pulled off. I got the intake here, exhaust manifold, turbo setup, some valve covers. This side we got all the fuel lines there. I believe it's ready for the head to be lifted off. This is a 3.9 Cummins. So Gonna pull the head out, take a look at what's going on. We believe it's the piston pin on this cylinder. Something's happened to it. So hopefully all we're going to do is replace that and put it back together. Gotta head over to the shop right now and get our big engine hoist out so we can lift this head off. Even me and Dad, I think we're going to struggle like heck to lift that head off, so might as well do it the easy way. Okay, got the big engine hoist in here. Getting ready to lift the head off once I get help from Dad or somebody. Okay, got the head off here. Everything looks normal there. Let's see here. So there it is. I guess everything looks okay. There might be little score marks on this one here. We got a little something going on with this piston right there. Looks like some marks on it. Not sure what that's about, but we're definitely going to pull this one out because this is the one that's bad, I think. I guess we will find out, I guess, when we tear this apart a little more. Okay, so we've got this piston out. I don't know how good of a shot you're getting there, but we got this one out. I believe that's number 4 because it's in the back of the motor. Cylinder number 4, and this is what we found here. That is, I'm guessing that's the knocking we were hearing. You can see in here, that's the bushing that, well, there was a bushing in there, and that's what filled the oil pan up. We think it's just this one. So, we're probably going to pull out the rest of them just to make sure there is no other ones with issues. We got this here going on. There's the other side. We're going to take it to a local diesel shop and ask him a few questions on this is the bearing for the rod there. We'll ask him what he thinks we should do. Really, we're just trying to get another year or two out of this. You know, to do this right, you know, we had to pull the motor out, you know, send the block in and everything. We're just trying to get this fixed as quickly as we can here so we can use it this year. Hopefully get, like I said, another year or two out of it. I found some places where you can actually get a good running 3.9 Cummins for pretty decent. So I think we'll just kind of band-aid this one for as long as we can, and then we'll get one of those good used ones and we'll drop it in here, I think. So that's I believe that's the plan. We'll see what the mechanic says about this, and we'll pull the rest of the pistons out, see what they look like, and I guess we'll go from there.